In this tutorial, we'll learn how to consume content on the go with Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. The Oracle Analytics mobile app provides on-the-go access to my data with workbooks and dashboards, so I can stay informed and make timely business decisions. I will download and open the mobile app from my App Store and log in to get started with the Oracle Analytics mobile app. This takes me to the home page, which I've organized to show my watch lists at the top, followed by favorites, workbooks, and the What's New section. To access my Workforce Analysis workbook, I simply tap the workbook on the screen. The default layout for workbooks is mobile stacked, which shows the visualization stacked like a newsfeed. This layout is optimized for mobile devices. To get a closer view and interact with my visualization, I can click on any visualization. To get more information about this chart, I will select the Eye icon. And now I see the maximum and minimum values, mean value, and some of the highest and lowest values in this bar chart. When I select the menu icon, I get a brief text description with key insights about this visualization. For this chart, I can see that catering accounts for more than half the total promotions in my business. I'll return to the workbook where I can navigate to other canvases. I'm currently in the Workforce dashboard, but I can click on the Diversity canvas to navigate there. I can also change the view of these canvases by clicking on the Experience button. I will choose Mobile Workbook for a balanced layout, optimized for mobile devices, or Desktop mode, which shows the full web-based interface and interactions. I'll select Mobile Workbook, and now I can see the full dashboard and interact with the filters. I can use Search to look up and access workbooks that are not currently on my homepage, or I can click on the folder structure to see my catalog. I'll click on Shared Folders, then the Oracle folder, and then Fusion HCM, where I'll find my Workforce Management Workbook pre-built by Oracle. Again, by default, the workbook is in Mobile Stacked view, but I'll switch it to Mobile Workbook. With the Oracle Analytics mobile app, I can consume my workforce content on the go, so I can stay informed about my business and make decisions based on the latest data, anywhere, anytime. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.